Let's get to a detailed analytical story. Essar Steel has found a new ally in the Indian Armed Forces and will supply special grade steel to cater to the defence sector's needs. But this is not the only active operation when it comes to the company's debt reduction plan. CNBC TV 18's Anshu Sharma and Arundhati Ramanan have a report that the company is in advanced talks with its various lenders to settle its outstanding debt liabilities. Let's take a look.
This is the world's third largest military. It's also one of the fastest growing, and with the Indian Armed Forces participating in the Make in India campaign, it's also a lucrative market for many Indian companies, especially those in the steel sector. After Jindal Stainless, Essar Steel now boasts the Indian military in its client list and will supply special steel grade for various defense projects, and expects to corner a sizable portion of India's $200 billion defense expenditure budget over the next 5 years. But Essar Steel has bigger plans on the anvil and is working on exporting to the Middle East market.
There is a big market internationally as well, and we have already started entering into markets that are already importing such steels for their defense requirements. Today it is mainly Turkey, Israel and Middle East.
This will help the company bring down its debt from the current 40,000 crore rupees, and these efforts will be helped along by its plans to increase capacity utilization from the current 85% to 90% by FY18. Also in the works is an action plan to cut costs to expand margins.
We have been cutting down our costs. We are looking at margin maximization. That is, make value-added products, increase the base equated realization, and keep the costs under control. We are focusing on also reducing our input costs, and a lot of work is going on to reduce the price of coal, coke. What are the, can we source some other types of coal? Looking at how to reduce the price of gas. Gas is an important component for us.
Essar Steel is also actively talking to its lenders to reach a settlement over its debt and is confident it will be able to report success soon without having to fall back on putting itself on the block.
Debt restructuring proposal has been made to the consortium of banks, and it's in an advanced stage of settlement. So we believe that we'll hear some positive news in the coming weeks. We are doing good now. I think the year 2018 should see things. If you look at the last 6 months, things have dramatically improved, and this journey of improvement is certainly going to continue.
These efforts, the company says, will work better if it gets more support from the government. Specifically, Essar Steel is hoping for a transparent model for the pricing of iron ore in India, a move that will help the steel industry better budget for raw materials and eventually boost financial health. With Anshu Sharma in New Delhi, in Mumbai, Arundhati Ramanan.
All right.